You know when you talk or do something, but you agree instantly?
Sometimes the only thing you think is oh no.
So how powerful is perfect for you?
Because we have
They're amazing,
the wonderful,
they're unique,
the superb,
and the special, the
Break
break
time
time clock. The clock that makes the time back. You know when you give a little teaser, but that does not work?
so you'll never go through this moment of shame again.
Hey girl, you're the egg that was missing in my lunchbox.
You bastard! Hey girl, you're a child of my garden. You bastard!
Hey girl, I want to be squint to see you twice.
That's enough! Hey girl. Nah, not worth. Bye.
Bye. You know when you insult someone and the person was listening behind you?
I know, this is embarrassing, but with the break time clock, that will not happen again.
Hey Michael,
So dude,
I really hate the professor Henrique.
I hate you too. He's ugly, fat, and disgusting.
Oh yeah, he stinks and have natural blood in your
Yeah.
face. What? Oh no!
Detention!
Oh no, too! Hey Michael,
So dude,
I like Professor Henrique. He's a nice guy.
truth, he's cool.
A cool guy.
What? Good job, boys.
Yeah, Professor Henrique is
yeah,
so good.
yeah. A plus. A plus plus. I'm just joking. Yes, this is my boy.
Thank you, Professor.
Bye.